Now, I'm Kevin Smith, and this is my Ronaldson Tippett Dragsaw. After you've finished a cut, I just pick up a blade, lift the thing up, wheel it back, let it forward again. Pin the thing down so it doesn't move too much. Hook a safety chain up, and then start. Right, turn the tiller on. This is the clutch to allow it to start cutting. You've got to keep an eye on it for when it's getting close to the end, ready to disengage the clutch. It's about to cut off. Stop the engine. This was made sometime late 40s, early 50s. I'm Jim Cameron, a member of the Mid-North Coast Machinery Restoration Club. This engine we got in is Tangy, 15 horse. We got it from out of Walwood Creek, just out of Maxwell. It was a pumping engine for when the steam trains were on the road. They used to pump into a big tank and fill up the steam trains. At the moment we're just getting it ready to fire over. It's only been running a couple of times since we've had it, we've restored it to this stage. But we've still got a fair bit to do on it. But we do have all the pumping gear in the shed over there, which we normally lay it out on the ground so people can get some idea of the size of it. I assume it was a reasonably large model pumping engine at the time, because the pump's very big. 6-inch bore on 3 pumps to suck it out of the creek down back a couple of miles back out the road. So that's it, you got it.
Yeah, my name's Mark. This is my International M, 3 horsepower, manufactured in 1928. Formerly belonged to my grandfather on Dad's side of the family. It was originally driving a water pump when he purchased it. And then after that, they used to drive the saw beds on their property for firewood to run my grandmother's stove, which was the source of heating for the house, hot water and cooking. I've owned this engine for quite a number of years. I'm thinking probably around about 1994. It was in reasonable condition, but it was all covered in grease and oil. From that point, we had to clean it all down. That helped me a lot and become the restoration project. So from there, fully pulled it down, repainted, fixed the new fuel pump, pretty well got it to the original colour, the International M green. And the reason why I was here today is representing my grandfather and celebrating Father's Day weekend.
The Old Machinery Magazine. Remember to subscribe and tap the bell to be notified of any new videos.